The report is about a helicopter accident on Sunday, which occurred after a successful groundbreaking ceremony for His Dangerous Tanks and the Munumtapa Day celebrations, which was attended by His Excellency the President, Dr. Idi Mnangagwa, as the guest of honor. The President, Dr. Idi Mnangagwa, was accompanied by Her Excellency the First Lady, Dr. Auxilia Mnangagwa, the Honorable Vice President, Comrade KC Dimohadi, the ZANU-PF National Chairman and Minister of Defense, Comrade OCZ Mchinguri Kashiri, as well as other senior government and party officials. The helicopter was supposed to fly the President, Dr. Idi Mnangagwa, but experienced a technical fault and crash landed. The President, Dr. Idi Mnangagwa, was not on board. The helicopter had crew members only on board, and there were no fatalities. The Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe is carrying out investigations, and a statement will be issued at the appropriate time. Thank you.